In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do your own VAT return in Xero. This quick, straightforward guide will take you through everything you need to know to successfully complete your VAT return in just a few minutes. First things first, we need to access your Xero account. Head over to the Xero login page on your browser. Once you're there, you'll want to go ahead and click on the login button, which you'll find prominently displayed on the home page. Enter your registered email address and the corresponding password you set up when creating your Xero account. It's crucial to remember this login information for seamless access to your financial data. After entering your details, click the login button to access your account dashboard. Upon successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Xero dashboard. This is your central hub for all things accounting within Xero. Next, direct your attention to the menu options and locate the Accounting tab. Clicking this will reveal a drop-down menu. From there, you'll want to click on Advanced. This section is where you'll manage your financial settings and set up your VAT details. Now that you're in the Advanced section, look for the option labeled Financial Settings. Clicking on this will take you to a page with various financial configurations. Here, you'll spot a section dedicated to VAT. This is where you'll be able to select the appropriate VAT scheme for your business. The choice of scheme should correspond with your business type and legal requirements, so be sure to select the right one. With the VAT scheme chosen, next you'll need to define your VAT period. This is the time frame over which your VAT calculations will be made. Ensure this matches your business's reporting cycle to remain compliant with tax regulations. In addition to specifying the VAT period, you should also enter your official VAT registration number. This number is essential as it identifies your business for tax purposes. Once you have all these details entered correctly, it's important to review everything to ensure accuracy. After all the hard work of entering your financial details, you don't want a simple mistake to throw off your VAT return. If everything looks good and complete, go ahead and click on the Save button. This will secure your settings and ensure that Xero is up to date with your most recent VAT preferences. And that wraps it up. You've just set up your VAT return in Xero, ready to handle your taxes efficiently. Ensuring your financial settings are accurately configured not only helps in compliance but also in smooth financial management throughout the year. Thanks for watching and happy accounting.